Hello, how you doing? So today we're gonna make baked beans, Philadelphia cheese, Dorito tortillas, really lovely. We're gonna make the beans really nice and creamy with the Philly. I've got a bit of Philly on the top there, nice bit of salad, some lovely spices. Doesn't take long, it's delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, you ready? So we've got 1 can, regular can of baked beans, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, I'm using a Philadelphia, 1 teaspoon here, chili powder, cumin, oregano, and there I've got some paprika. That's a smoked paprika. Smoked paprika is delicious. If you can get that, fantastic. If not, get the sweet one. Or if you want, you can buy one of those kind of taco seasoning packets. They've got that in, plus some other stuff you don't really want, to be honest, but you could do that. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon each salt and pepper, and then here I've got roughly equal parts of bell pepper, tomato and onion. So that's 1 tomato there. 1 tomato just there, very easy. We're going to start this off with a little bit of olive oil. It's going to be delicious. So frying pan, olive oil, I'm going to drop in that little bit of onion that's cut nice and small, tablespoon of garlic, and salt and pepper, about a teaspoon each. High heat, 3 minutes, see you then. Super easy. Next up, let's drop that 1 tomato in. Try and use a ripe tomato if you can. Let's get those bell peppers in. I'm just using green, but you could use different colors if you want. And then our spices, let's take a look again. 1 teaspoon each, smoked paprika, oregano, cumin, and chili powder. In it goes. About another 3 minutes on this high heat. Keep it moving and stir it often now because we've got our spices in there. Easy as can be. Right, we're going to drop the heat down to below medium now. We're going to drop our beans in, 1 can of beans. I prefer to use Heinz, but that's up to you. You can use whichever brand you like. And then 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Like I said, I'm using a Philly. And we're just going to work this in for about 3 or 4 minutes. Off goes the heat, beautiful. Our beans are done. So I've got a metal tray here. You can use ceramic or glass, whatever you like really, just something that can go in the oven. And I've got some tortilla chips in there. Now I've got 50% Doritos and 50% plain. And again, if you want to use just plain or Doritos or different flavored, Doritos, you can get a kind of spicy one or something, whatever flavors they do. But we're going to get our beans. We're going to pour them over. Now get your oven on full blast, like as high as it can, maximum heat, get it on there. Trying to mix these around just a bit. Yeah, we're going to pop this in the oven for a few minutes. Now I've got some cheddar cheese, that's going over. Put some mozzarella on if you want. I just like the cheddar. This is a kind of medium strength cheddar cheese. This is going to go in the oven, my oven, for about 12 to 15 minutes. All ovens are different, aren't they? But yeah, I just want to get that cheese melted down there. Fabulous, my kids love this. So while our beans and chips are in the oven, just have a little look at this. I've got roughly equal parts there, you can see, of nicely cut tomato, cucumber, onion, cilantro or coriander, and a little bit of olive oil. Simply going to give that a mix. Tomatoes in, Cucumbers in. Onion. Cilantro. You can get a little bit of sort of jalapeno in there if you want now. And then olive oil. Maybe a touch of salt and pepper for me, no need. Little mix, that's done. This is gonna go on top once this comes out of the oven. Piping hot, straight out the oven, nice and golden brown. That's just how I like it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our lovely salad and get that all over. Let me tip it all on and mix it all around. Fantastic stuff. Now, sour cream, no. We're gonna go with some more Philadelphia. So I've just got a couple of teaspoons here. Knock it out there. Pick it up, knock it out. And that's it, beautiful stuff. Nice and easy. Yeah, and play around with it, get what you want in there. Get a bit of avo in there if you want a bit of avocado. Get a bit of some olives in there maybe. Jalapeños. Up to you. One more, I think. That's it. Hope you enjoy that. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later. Hi, how you doing? Not going to keep you long at all today. We're going to bang out some amazing chicken wings. It's going to take us about 12 minutes of cooking time. Going to get some wings in a bowl, chuck a load of lovely spices in it, get them in the pan, job done, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so easy. So I've got like 18, 20 regular size wings there. We're going to chuck a load of stuff in, give it a mix. Super easy stuff. So tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon celery salt, salt and pepper, about a teaspoon each again, paprika, 1 teaspoon. I'm using the smoked paprika, gives it a really beautiful flavour. A little bit of lemon juice, olive oil, tomato paste, 135 grams of tomato paste. In that goes. You can see I've got a glove on because I'm going to go straight in. We're going to give this a nice little mix up, then we're straight to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a pan here. Nothing in it. We're just going to simply drop in all of our wings and the mixture, and you want to keep this on just below medium heat. Don't go crazy hot. About 12 minutes, stirring every now and then. You've done it. And there you go, 12 minutes. Beautifully done. Let's get them on a plate. And that's it, super easy, no mucking about, tasty as hell. See you later, lots of love.